So I've already taken a few screws out. This is deconstruction video number 2. This is a laptop hard drive. It is ended up not working anymore, and so some people just drill them. I like to get inside, look at them, and see what they're about before throwing them to the recycler. Alright, so I took all the ones on the other side off, I think. Yes. Oh, nope, one more. Alright, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Alright. Oh, shoot. Look at that. 7. 7, 8. Went from 5 to 8. Okay, alright. Bottom. Got any more? Nothing more there. Alright, odds are there's more underneath this sticker. Makes sense. There it is. Okay. All right. Fancy that. So that disk is where all the information's stored. This here is what reads and writes. Got the mechanism. Here's all the electronics. There's a star screw in the middle. Sometimes you can get lucky. No. Well, let's start just taking apart other things. So there's multiple platters down there. A magnet in there. That is the magnet right there. So I like keeping magnets. Magnets are always good. Okay. It's all magnetized into there too. Seems like, well, it's definitely not going back together now. Not that that was the plan. So, those run along all the platters. And then they send the information back via this really small wire. And looks like it goes into this, which the nut went over and connected to here. And then that ultimately goes, one's the power in, and the other one is the display. In essence, goes into the computer processes it, and then it gets sent off to the display. So we can see what it is we're doing. Alright, so when I found this screwdriver, it looks like it fits. There you go. There we are. Information. It's crazy to think. All the hard drives of old. This is how it was done. Base, platters, got the needles, kind of like a record player. Like I said, you got the magnet. The magnet, it's an electromagnet, so it keeps it where it needs to be. I'm guessing. I'm going to go with that's what I believe it is. But then the information comes down, gets sent through here into this unit, this chip. The chip then runs into this board, and then it transfers out and sends the information out. Then you got the power in to give it the energy so that it can do that. So there you go. I think I'll keep these discs because they're reflective and kind of interesting. So, see you on the next one.